Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone off and heating the rear or front edge to soften adhesive. This is how heat prevents cracking. Next, apply a suction cup and slide plastic picks around the seam. Slowly, you avoid tearing the display. Once a gap forms, insert a thin metal spudger only to separate adhesive, not to pry circuits. Then, once done, remove the SIM tray and locate the battery connector. Disconnect it first to keep voltage off the board. You now move to the complex middle. Remove the shield plates with the correct driver. Magnetic mat or labeled tray helps because screws differ. Carefully lift each flex cable using the plastic tool. You must also transfer the front camera and ear speaker to the new assembly since they rarely come pre-installed. Once cables are free, align the replacement screen, connect display and digitizer cables, and reattach shields. Make sure to follow the original screw order. Doing so keeps pressure, even, and avoids board stress. You finish by reconnecting the battery as the last connection and applying new adhesive strips or a thin bead of B7000. Press evenly for 2-3 minutes. Power on and run a full test of touch response, screen uniformity, cameras, proximity sensor, and charging. This confirms the swap worked. If something fails, make sure to reseat connectors and recheck screw tension. One key troubleshooting tip: if touch is unresponsive, disconnect power and reseat the display/digitizer cables. Many issues trace to a loose connector.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.